Hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Um, Please tell us about yourself briefly.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, should I turn on the camera or?
No. Are you okay with it being posted with your visual also, or you have some reservations? Some girls, they don't mind about it. Many of the Malayali girls, it depends on how you feel about it.
Either way is okay.
Good. Then you come on this. No problem. Good.
Okay.
Good. Please come on. This thing. Yeah. Good. Very good. Best wishes. Now, your sound is not coming. Sound is not.
Am I audible now?
Now audible. Please keep the mic near your mouth.
I didn't took the extra. Yeah. If
Now it is
if
okay. Now it is
now it,
okay.
yeah, because
Now
I
it is
didn't took.
now it is okay. If you talk like this, I can hear you. Um, please tell us about yourself. Don't tell personal details. Tell about yourself normally. Yeah. Or I will ask questions, you answer. For example, you are from which city? City only tell me. Which city?
Ernakulam.
Good. Which college are you studying?
Government Engineering College, Trivandrum.
Good. Now you are in the final year, na?
Yeah, final year.
Good. I know you are doing MTech in networking.
Yes, sir.
Are there other candidates also qualified for this interview, or you are the only person?
From networking, I'm the only person.
Oh, great. Very good. Now, please tell about your family. आपका family का बारे में बताइए briefly. What is your father? Don't tell name and all. What is your father? How many siblings do you have? What is your mother? Like that, briefly. What is your father means? What is the work he is doing?
Yeah, I understood.
Mm.
My family, I come from a small family. It consists of only 3 members. I'm the only daughter of my family. My father is
Only.
a businessman.
Mm.
My father is a businessman. He runs a small bakery. And my mom take private tuitions for students, online tuitions.
Very good. Excellent. Very small family. Nice.
Yeah.
Now, the problem is you are only daughter for your parents. Will your parents allow you to relocate yourself? While we may get you posting in Ernakulam, possibly if we are not able to get, what you will do? Will you accept the offer or not?
I will accept the offer. There is no restrictions for me in relocation. My families they support my dreams and they always support every decision I make, career wise or personal wise. So even now they have allowed me to go to Trivandrum to study, which is somewhere 200 plus kilometers away from my hometown. So
Oh,
yeah, that's
that
the
is
problem.
that is right. So that point is taken care of. Now let me come to the questions that were asked today in an interview. Why federal?
Yeah, I know it's one of the biggest private banks which are working in the country, and I personally prefer Federal Bank because from the my personal account is in the Federal Bank, and it is I opened it in 2012 or 13, and the services provided by the bank I know it very well, and I'm I'm a big fan of the services provided by the Federal Bank, and I know that I like the way it functions. So if I get means that's why I choose Federal Bank.
You can also add some more points like say Federal Bank has earned a reputation in being the good employer. It is given in the awards section of the bank. And
Okay, sir.
they are the leaders as far as digitalization is concerned. They have awards. They have got so many awards, and in Kerala, Federal Bank is a family name for, I mean, it's an accepted name in every family. So I consider it a um, uh, prestige to work in Federal Bank, something like that. You should tell so that it is received fully. Understand? So that's what it is. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, next question for you. How would your friend describe you?
My friend would describe me as a caring person and hardworking or a go-getter. And when it comes to the negative side, they might say I get emotional a little bit quickly. Yeah.
Oh, you get emotional means supposing I scold you, you will get immediately worried and go away from my place, or you will start crying, or you will start scolding me. Imagine, I know that it differs from level to level. Supposing you are talking to your own equals, that may be different. Supposing you are talking to your superiors, it may be different. Now, I know the major problem you are facing is with your colleagues or co-students, correct?
Yeah. I can manage the emotional breakouts or whatever, but I get stressed a little bit quickly. I can manage it, but it happens.
Now, in which situations do you get worked up? But don't use the word breakout and all that. That is not needed here. Breakout, breakout is used only in respect of relationships and all normally. So don't use that. But now tell me, in which occasions you get worked up or emotional?
Uh, it happens
At home or outside?
mostly at home because I get, yeah, it means
No,
I
no,
don't want to.
I can understand now. At home means at this age, mostly it will be only marriage issue. Your parents will say you get married, something like that. I understand. Let's not proceed on that. That will do. Now we will go to the next one. The next question for this candidate was the recent credit card news about which I told you. In the case of credit cards and all, they have told right from 1st October, whatever instructions we have given earlier for standing instructions, they will not hold good, and we have to give afresh instructions for that, something like that. So when that be the case, so this is the news. You please read, go through Google and read tokenization, credit cards, debit cards, and prepare about that.
Okay, sir.
Now, would you like me to ask questions relating to banking or to insurance, about insurance?
Banking, sir.
Banking. Good. Can you tell me what is a bank?
A bank is a financial institution which has banking license. Like it can provide, it can accept deposit from people and provide loans and also other financial services like currency exchange, money managing, wealth management, uh, etc.
Good. Very good. Very good. Now, can you tell me what are the ways by which banks get income?
Banks get income by um, from the loans they provide. They get income, and
You should
they
specific.
bank.
You should specifically tell from the loans they give, they get interest as income.
So from the loans as interest, the bank gets income, and it also sometimes takes service charges for the other transactions.
Don't say sometimes. They take service charges.
Okay.
They
So
will take service charge wherever applicable. They will take. Okay. Service charges for various activities like insurance policy collected, mutual fund policy, mutual fund products sold, and also NEFT, RTGS, whatever it. Don't tell these names. Then they will ask how much is the commission in respect of this. Simply say
Okay.
service charges and locker rent. Okay.
Okay.
And apart from that, there is one more income type of income.
One more type of income.
Namely, banks invest money in government securities and they get interest on that. Banks invest, you say, in shares and they get dividends from their company shares.
Okay.
Good, very good. You told this nicely. Now, let us go to Federal Bank. Supposing we go to Federal Bank website. Now, please tell me which aspect of Federal Bank website is more interesting for you or appealing for you?
So the home page is like it's user friendly, and the color theme it maintains the brand color of Federal Bank, that blue and yellow, and it's a user friendly, and it is designed in such a way that it catches the attention of.
Now, I suggest 1 minute. You must make them understand as if you have seen them earlier. Now I am sharing on the screen.
Okay.
So you can tell them that the the website has been designed in a very user friendly manner. That's what you said. Then again, they will ask you what is user friendly. You the details are given very clearly, like who we are. Go through this. Who we are, then investor relations, customer relations, and useful links. It is given
Okay.
under different classification like this. And say when we want to know about Federal Bank, we can see here. Similarly, when we as a deposit, as an investor, these details are given here. Then regarding customer relations, what are the various aspects to be covered? They are given here. Then useful links like calendar, carrier, centralized positive pay system, everything is given separately. And you can also, if you are interested, if you have read, you can tell it also contains glossary. Have you read this? No. You have not read this?
No, sir.
Oh, here only you can get lot of banking topics. You can know about almost all banking topics very clearly here. For example, if you say anywhere banking, what is anywhere banking? What is anytime banking? Then what is ATM? What is banker's lien? What is banking ombudsman? Everything is given under this. For example, certificate of deposit. Then what is CVV? What is the expansion of CVV?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Card verification value. It is given on the back of the debit cards and credit cards. 3 digits number.
Yeah.
I think you must have seen this.
Yeah, I know. Means I don't know the full form of CVV, but I know what is CVV.
So this is one favorite question they ask in almost all the interviews. Please tell me what are the things you will see on a debit card. Tell me. This is an interview question. What are the column? What are the things you will find on a credit card or a debit card?
Will be the issuer banking name and logo, and the customer name, and the issuing date or validity period from valid up to. two dates,
Mm.
expiry date and starting date, and there will be a unique 12-digit number. There will be
16.
16-digit number,
Mm.
and there will be a metallic chip for means which can
Mm.
avail the transactions, and there will be also
No. As a computer man, as a computer person, you must tell about this chip. This chip is what contains all the details about this card. Name of the person, valid up to, amount valid, payable up to, so many things. And if it is a debit card, it will link it with your savings account or current account as the case may be. So this point
okay,
you should know. And on the back of it, you will find a signature portion
yeah,
and CVV.
yes,
In respect of this ICICI card, there is one more difference. They give some alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Up to this 16 digits, they have given some numbers. These numbers are unique for each cards. So this is one way by which they test whether we are holding the card, whether we are the holder of this card. This is one, but you don't have to tell this. I don't think this column is there in Federal Bank. You have Federal Bank card with you, na?
yeah, they don't have that column.
Then okay, don't forget about that. Don't tell that. So this is what okay. Now I'm going to other questions for you. Can you please tell me what do you understand by crossing of checks? Actually, sorry. Actually, sorry. We were held up in the question. What is it you like in the website of the car, website of Federal Bank? You can tell them it is a user friendly. It is giving all the details very clearly. It has got personal. Under personal, we get details of deposits, cards, loans, insurance investments, and priority banking. Under NRI, we get NRE savings account, NRO savings account, loans for NRIs, then insurance, investment, wealth management, etc. Under business, we have current account, whatever you go through that at home. And from that, you tell at least 3 or 4 names. You don't have to describe about them. Tell at least 3 or 4 names. Also tell them that in the bottom, this is further classification as who we are, investor relations, customer relations, useful links is a very useful thing. Above all, these tutorial videos are good ones. Tutorial, I have not used it, but still I am telling you. These tutorial videos like Fed mobile banking, how to use it, Fed net, how to use it, Fed E-point, how to use it. Like that, they have bought some, they have put some videos. So they are also useful. You tell them about that. Then they can tease you by asking, have you seen any of these videos? Honestly, you have not seen any videos, but at least today you go and see this debit card video.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Just a minute. We will see. We will see that. Just I'm not boring you. Like this, if you have gone through one or two of them, you can talk confidently there. Okay. They are
Also,
asking more. They are
I
asking more questions about Federal Bank.
okay, sir. Okay.
That is the problem. Okay. Very good.
Also, you can mention the chatbot, that guy.
Yeah. With this one, Fedi.
Yeah.
This is very good. Ask some question. We can ask. You ask some question. Come on, ask some question. Any doubt you have? No doubt for you.
How to avail how to avail that e-commerce, or yeah, how to
How to use
activate e-commerce on my
how to
card.
how to use e-commerce in card. It will not understand. It will not understand. It will tell us some other answer for this. It is not
And
understanding.
how to
Yeah.
activate internet banking.
How to?
Activate internet banking.
Ah, good question. How to activate internet banking? It is giving details. Good. That's right. We will close this now. We will come to other questions. Now, yeah, questions they have asked is regarding deposits you wanted. Please tell me the KYC. What is the norms under KYC?
KYC means know your customer. So
Hmm.
we should give our Aadhaar details and the PAN card details and all such details to the corresponding branch where we have the account, so they can
Hmm.
verify our our identity and provide the banking services without any
Hmm.
issue in the future. Or
Hmm. Good. Now, what is the news about Congress president election? Because
uh,
somebody from Kerala is interested in that.
okay,
You don't know?
yeah, I know, like there was some controversy also going on. Somebody means some part was supporting Sri Shashi Tharoor and
No. You can simply say like this. The election is going to take place on October 17. Mallika Arjun Kharge and Shashi Tharoor are contesting. Shashi Tharoor is from Kerala, and he is being supported by the younger MLAs, young MLAs, something like that. You can say like that. Okay.
okay.
Then what are the other news reports you have read yesterday, today, or day before? Yesterday.
Okay, sir, can I interrupt in between? Because you were asking about some cross out checks, something.
Acha. Yeah. I
Don't know.
initially asked then what is crossing of checks? You don't know?
No.
Oh, crossing of checks means imagine this is the check. Imagine this is the check. We put two parallel transfers lines.
Okay.
If you put that, that is an indication that money cannot be paid over the counter by the bank.
Okay.
The bank has to route all these this has to be collected by another bank only,
Okay.
or
Okay.
he has to put it into his account in the same bank.
Okay. Okay.
Why don't you, why you are not knowing such simple things? You are daughter of a business man.
Yeah.
Please go and you can't meet him. So how to, you take out your debit card and credit card passbook and try to know some details about this is very important. And of course, I told you about those question answer session. Did you go through that?
PDF. Yeah, I had gone through that PDF
That
recently.
PDF here. Did you go
Yeah.
through
Yes.
bankers adda interview material?
Yeah, that material also I had gone through. Means yesterday I did, because
Very,
till
very
then I
good.
was not.
Very good, very good. So you could study them also. So this is a very basic question. Crossing means when you cross a check, you can't make payment over the counter.
Okay.
Now, another favorite question for these bank interview people is that what is the difference between check and a demand draft? This also, I think it is given already in the material.
PDF check is written by the individual and demand draft is issued by the bank and we have to pay in advance.
Good, good. You have studied that. Very good.
Yeah.
Now tell me what is repo rate?
Repo rate is the interest rate, means banks can borrow money from the RBI and the rate of interest which they borrow that money is called repo rate. And if it is less,
You have to mention repo rate is the rate at which banks borrow for short-term period.
Okay.
Because long-term period they will borrow using bank rate. Normally, this is used to be valid for a period of 14 days. Some people say 14, some people say 90 days. But say short period.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good. So that's okay. Now I will come to general questions. Why should
Okay, sir.
we select you?
Oh, okay. Uh,
This is
in my
interview question. Interview
yeah,
question. Uh,
uh, in my past experience as well, in my past record, in my academic record, uh, during my graduation, I had led a team of 4 people on doing academic projects, and I have managed my roles in that. I was the team lead, and I have managed the team from. I built this team from scratch, and we have worked on various projects. And at the end of the day, means after 4 years, our team won 2 national level events and 1 state level event, including 20 lakh seed funding support from the government of India, Niti Aayog. So, uh, all through that period of time, I have learned, means from the as a student I have learned from the little bit of experience which whatever I had, the managerial skills and all sort of things. And by reading the job description, I understood that job role include a lot of interacting with, means front end interaction with the customers and managerial responsibilities. So which match pretty well with the skills I have acquired.
Good. Sufficient. Sufficient. Now, what is this?
A cow toy.
Uh, Normally, they won't give you toys like this, but still, let me give you this. You imagine you are working for the manufacturer of these toys.
Okay.
You have to approach the shopkeepers for getting their orders for buying this.
Okay.
Please do that.
Okay. So
No, but they can ask you this, or they are asking many things. For example, they say a tumbler, sell this. Sometimes they will say, this is the glass door, please sell this. Sometimes they will say, sell bank loans. It can be like this. Anyway, so now supposing this if it is most favorite question is sell a pen. So these are the favorite questions. But whatever question they give, you have to speak in favor of the plus points of the product and try to sell it. That's all. Now try to imagine some plus points for this toy.
okay. So we have a scout toy, and it's very good for the children because it's handy and it is they can carry it easily. It's attractive and it's small and it's small, handy and attractive. The kids, because since a cow toy, they can also learn about means we teach children about the colors or animals and birds, but giving them toys will help them learn things fast.
Good.
So showing it.
Sufficient. But then before starting about this cow, you should also tell about, I am so and so from this company. We are manufacturing toys. We also manufacture toys of animals. This is one such toy which is being received all over the country widely. Many children, almost all the children like this, because it looks as if it is a real cow standing before us. You have to put some reel.
Okay.
You must be satisfied with it. So you should try to speak out as if this is something unique which is not there anywhere in the world.
Okay.
So like that, you should try to talk. Good. Now, next question is that very good. Next question will be, say, for example, what do you want to become after 10 years from now?
Yeah, from 10 years from now, I would like to handle a role which is role of higher responsibility. Like my role model is has always been like, sorry,
No, no.
sir.
You're mixing two questions. Why did you bring role model? I simply wanted, what do you want to become after 10 years? You should tell, after 10 years, I would like to see myself as branch manager or senior manager in the bank, because I would have learnt all the works relating to the bank and try to improve my relationship with customers. Next, just a minute. Hello. Who is speaking? Hello. Pranjali. Yes, please tell me. Yeah, I was just now using all the questions given by you. Yeah, you are not able to come in person. You are not able to come to the video, no? Doesn't matter. Don't worry. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you. No problem. Now the voice is getting cut quite often. Thank you. Actually, I wanted that girl who has given these questions to come here. She is from Mumbai, but she could not come. Doesn't matter. Good. So you should not mix up role model question with this question. Here, role model is a separate question. Role model, say, what do you want to become? I want to become the manager or senior manager in the bank because I would have learned all the banking work. I am very much interested in serving customers. I want to achieve the targets, something like that, you should say. Are you interested in doing selling?
Is that a question? Means, is that an interview question?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, as I'm interested in doing selling. Because I come from a background of business. My father and grandfather both have been in the business background for a long years. So I have seen it from my childhood, and I have seen means that selling basically provides me, and through that skill, my father have provided me for my education and all other needs. So yes, I like it.
Good. Now, which movie did you see recently? Talk in Malayalam.
Okay.
Malayalam.
Last മൂവി പക്ഷെ ഹിന്ദിയാണ്, ലാൽ സിംഗ് ചഡ്ഡെ.
எப்ப பார்த்தாச்சு?
ഇന്ന്, ടുഡേ.
டுடே ஆச்சா? அத பத்தி சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம். ப்ளீஸ் പറയും മലയാളത്തിലെ പറയും.
മലയാളം. ഓക്കെ. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മൂവി ഫോറസ്റ്റ് ഗംപിന്റെ ഒരു ഹിന്ദി വേർഷൻ ആയിരുന്നു ലാൽ സിംഗ് ചെഡ്ഡെ. അത് നല്ല രസമുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഞാൻ ഫോറസ്റ്റ് ഗംപ് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ എന്നാലും കുറച്ചുകൂടെ റിഫ്രഷിംഗ് ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ തോന്നി. ബോറടിച്ചില്ല, മീൻസ് റിപ്പീറ്റേഷൻ ഒന്നും ഫീൽ ചെയ്തില്ല. ശരിക്കും അതിന്റെ ഒരു ഇന്ത്യൻ വേർഷൻ കാണുമ്പോൾ റിഫ്രഷിംഗ് ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ തോന്നി. എനിക്കത് ഒട്ടും ആ മൂവി അത് അർഹിക്കുന്ന അത്രയും പോപ്പുലാരിറ്റി നേടിയില്ല എന്നൊരു തോന്നി. ഇറ്റ്സ് വളരെ നല്ല സിനിമ, നന്നായിട്ട് ഫുൾ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്ത് കണ്ടിരിക്കാം, റിലാക്സ്ഡ് ആയിട്ട് ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ട് കണ്ടിരിക്കാം.
No. See, all that you said was only general terms. You have not told what is the story. You told it is resembling Forrest Gump. Either you should have told Forrest Gump story or Lal Chadda story, or compare these two. Some definite information you must be able to speak out.
Okay. Means information regarding the movies.
Whenever we speak, we must speak to the point and effectively.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Otherwise, no problem. You did well. Thank you so much. Best wishes. But be reading a lot. Be preparing more. And regarding banking and all, your preparation is not sufficient. And you should update your general knowledge paper also, awareness also. And prepare well and go. I wish you should succeed. You could not prepare because of your illness. Now that you are recovering, please make use of this time. Read well. For the fact that you were not well, you have done really well now. This interview was good. I will give easily 8.5 out of 10. But in a real interview, they are comparing you. They want to see, are you a dynamic person? Are you a person who will jump quite high? For the question on sales also, you are very clever. Are you asking interview question? So it should not be so. You should be willing to accept responsibilities. Okay, you exhibit that quality, you will succeed. Best wishes. Attend the interview and send the questions they are asking you. Okay?
Sure.
Thank
I know
you.
I think I had also one more problem, because I was not stammering, but I was not getting proper on the answer.
Proper words, you could not get it immediately. But however, your performance was good. One, because you were smiling and you were not having diffidence. These two are plus points.
Thank you,
Best
sir.
wishes. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
You will succeed. Don't worry. God is there. Best wishes. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Bye.